Hey freaks, and welcome back to another tutorial. So if you're keen to see how I created this little Lego stuck under my foot, then just please keep on watching. Okay, so I start off by using one layer of liquid latex, then I went in with my homemade scar wax. I find it really much more affordable and it's really easy to blend out as well. I just blended that out using my double-sided sculpting brush. Then I chose my Lego piece. You can choose any Lego piece you have or any kind of shape or mold you want to choose. This turned out exactly the way I wanted it to turn out, although the edges I just had to kind of go and make like a little rectangular shape. Then I used my BYS colour wheel. I picked up the red shade and kind of just dabbed right around the lines where I made the rectangle. Then using a stipple sponge to create a little bit of texture and make it look a little bit more realistic and kind of match my skin. I kind of just dabbed that in the wound, not pressing too hard. Obviously I don't want to ruin the shape of the Lego. So now I'm going in with some red face paint and just kind of dabbing that in the little holes that they created from the Lego piece. And then I went in with some BYS liquid blood and just kind of poured it in the little holes, and it eventually fell right around the circles and kind of doing the exact look that I was looking for. Then I used some BYS clotted blood. This is my absolutely favorite blood to use, and kind of just dab that in the little circles as well. So this is the end result. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I will be posting more of my TikToks on YouTube. So a way that you guys can make sure that you always check them out is if you subscribe to my channel and also turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video. Also don't forget to hit the thumbs up. It really helps out a lot. This is the little removal. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!